Hey guys, this is Decolation, and today, my man Brian.
What's going on, guys?
Tell the people what you're working on today.
Well, since we now have the fittings for the air conditioning, we're going to finish plumbing all the air conditioning lines, putting the dryer in, getting all that ready so they can all go to the shop and get crimped. That's what I'm working on today. And Gary's doing more drilling holes.
So
He'll probably explain that one.
Today, my tasking. Yeah, so remember this alternating hard jobs and soft jobs, and easy jobs? Yeah, well, Brian, actually, I think I got the hard one. I think I got the hard one this time after the fiasco I went through drilling the under panels that you guys already saw. Drilling these holes are a major pain in the dick. But yes, so I've got this side panel top holes drilled, but I need to drill this side panels. And then I can do the foam inserts and then put the top panels in. And that's important for what's coming a little bit later. But yes, so that's what we're gonna be working on today. So stay tuned.
going on, folks? Brian here. Just give you guys a little update of what's going on. So what we've got is the air conditioning. The air dryer's hooked up, compressor is hooked up. We have all the hoses run. We're waiting for the front suspension to come. Factory 5 says it's on the way. So we got the hoses run up. So when we get that put in, we can get the radiator and the condenser hooked up. Get those tubings put in. And then we have to go get all these fittings with their special crimp at an air conditioning shop, because that's just a tool we don't need. Over here, he's hard at work smearing the glue all over everything. And everything, I mean everything.
Everything.
It's like we said, I got the easy job today.
We did alternate. We just didn't expect it to be alternating, like doing the same job. Yep. This one definitely turned to go bearing ready.
So we'll be back to the time lapse here. We're probably gonna, I think I'm gonna scoot over there and hook up the oil tank. We'll go over on that section.
The catch can.
The catch can. So we'll get that all plumbed up, ready to go. All right, we'll catch you on the time lapse. Have a good one.
Hey guys.
What's going on, guys?
So right now Brian has to head out. You guys gonna see some more footage of what I'm doing, because I still got work to do. See, Brian's just more efficient with his job. He got it done quickly.
Could get the easy ones today.
Yeah, and he did like a couple extra jobs just for the fuck of it. So thank you, Brian.
What's on the thing?
Oh yeah, let's go take a look. Brian, let's explain your handiwork.
So we don't have any light up here.
That's all right. I've got light right here. All right, cool. So, you want to point out what you?
Yeah, so what we got the catch can installed there, and then we actually ran some extra fuel line, actually nice fuel line, coming across there to connect his crankcase breathers. So that's all run, and then once we get a AN fitting come in, we'll have a hose going in there to connect and have his whole breather system run together. We showed you before, we got all the AC and heaters put in there. We're gonna put the heater control valve in tomorrow, and that should finish that off. And then we're just waiting for the front end to get delivered so we can put all the front together and put the grill and the compressors on, and we'll be ready to go.
Woo woo!
Be about time to go-kart in this thing.
Oh man, can't wait for that. It's coming. So Brian kind of spoke about it, that we got word from Factory 5, just kind of to attest to the customer service that they do. I called them yesterday and I was like, hey, I know with the COVID stuff, I sent my inventory. There was a few things I was missing. I just wanted to make sure I'm in the queue. So Tony Zulo, you see him in like almost all of the Factory 5 videos. He reached out to me 20 minutes after, because when you call, you just get a voicemail. And he was like, hey, send me the email right now. I was like, all right, cool. Send him the email. He said, talk to you. He was like, I'll get it to Bob tomorrow. And then I got email today saying that they're working on getting me what I need today. So just insane customer service. If you've never dealt with their customer service, just I can tell you from personal experience, amazing service. But yeah, so we're gonna get back onto what I'm doing, and then we'll close out the video when I finish with all of this mess right here. Hey guys, so now that I'm done with both sides of these panels, and man, sounds solid. You can tell that's really gonna insulate a lot. So got them done on both sides, as you can see. And right now, I'm gonna call it a night. And next video, you guys will definitely see what goodies we have in store. But thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and all the feedback that I've been getting. It's actually really motivational to keep pushing forward because you guys really do appreciate what I'm doing. But if you like the video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Have a good one. Peace.